What's up, Wayne Barron here with CFF Cutting Source, and today we're inside of ESXI, and I just ran into an issue, so let's go through my issue. We're going to right click on our DC02. We're going to come down here to edit settings. We're going to scroll down, then we're going to choose our data ISO store, and then choose where it's located and choose 2025, select it, connect, and save. You're going to receive this error: failed to reconfigure virtual machine 050 DC02. The operation is not allowed in the current state. And dismiss that. We're going to right click on our virtual machine. We're going to come down to unregister, choose yes, click on storage, data store, come down here to our O2, right click on the VMX and choose register VM, choose close. Come back over to our virtual machines, right click, edit settings, come down, choose our data store again, 2025, select, connect, and save, and voila, it works. All right, Wayne Barron here with CFF Cutting Source. Y'all have a good one now. Bye-bye.